You should not sell the full metal gloves. Thank you to this person for actually showing me this. So if you sell them normally, you get like no money. As you can see, you only get 425. If you get 10 of them, you can actually combine them to create another glove. If you have this game pass, you only need 9 of them. But if you don't have it, you have to have 10 of them. So as you can see, I have 10. When you upgrade it like this, there we go, it actually creates a gold glove. This is a class A glove, and you can sell this gold glove for 50,000. So the golden glove stats are actually pretty good. The strength is quite high, and all of the other stats have +2. So it is a pretty good glove. But I'm just going to sell it anyway because it gives a lot of money and I'm trying to get a better glove. So selling this will help me get this better glove because I can buy more crates. So yeah, you can use it if you want, or you can sell it. It's up to you. It's your choice. If that's the best glove for you, you might as well just keep it and use it. But then when you want to get a better glove and you want to get a crate, you can sell the glove and then you can get some other crates. You can even buy the best crate in the game. I don't know if this is really safe though, because I've spent over 200,000 money buying these packs, but for the packs, and I didn't even get one class S glove from this. So I just like to buy the golden chests or the steel chests. So save them up, combine them, and then you can sell it for a lot more. There we go, like that 50,000 Gs, that is a lot of money. So yeah, this is a short video. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video. Bye!